Ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish my skin looked healthier, fresher, and younger? To be honest, you're not alone. We've all been there, wondering what it takes to achieve that radiant, youthful glow. But here's the secret. Achieving a youthful skin isn't just buying expensive creams or complicated routines. It is something as simple as natural remedies that work wonders for your skin. In this video, I'll share with you the ultimate remedy that will transform your skin from dull to radiant, naturally. These tips are backed by science and time-tested traditions. And trust me, tip number 5 will blow your mind. It's so simple yet unbelievably effective. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the ultimate remedies for your skin. Why your skin looks dull. Anyone can have dull skin. It is often caused by factors like dehydration, poor diet, lack of sleep, and stress. When your skin lacks hydration or essential nutrients, it loses its natural radiance. Stress and fatigue slow down your skin's ability to repair itself, while poor lifestyle habits can cause buildup of dead skin cells, leaving your complexion looking tired and lifeless. But don't worry, by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to restore that fresh, youthful glow with the number 1 ultimate remedy. Before we talk about the number 1 ultimate remedy for glowing skin, let us discuss ways to improve your dull skin. 1 is hydration. Hydration is your skin's best friend. Think of your skin like a plant. Without water, it wilts. So start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to flush out toxins, and make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses daily. Hydration helps maintain your skin's elasticity and plumpness, giving you a smoother, more youthful appearance. 2. The power of vitamin C, inside and out. Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's a game changer for your skin. Eat fruits like oranges, strawberries, and pineapples, and apply a vitamin C serum to brighten your skin tone. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, fights free radicals, and helps even out your complexion, leaving your skin looking brighter and more radiant. 3. Beauty sleep is real. Your skin repairs itself during sleep. Have you noticed that after a good night's sleep, your body looks more radiant and wounds healing to a certain level? If you have not, then be more attentive. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Emphasis on quality. And here's a pro tip. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce wrinkles. Giving your skin the rest it needs helps you wake up looking refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to glow. We are almost at the number 1 natural remedy to enhance your glow. 4. The magic of natural oils. Natural oils like coconut, argan, and rosehip oil deeply nourish the skin. Apply a few drops before bed and wake up to a hydrated, youthful glow. These oils are rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which help repair and protect your skin, leaving it soft and supple. 5. The 60-second rule, the game changer. This might surprise you, but washing your face for at least 60 seconds allows cleansers to break down dirt, oil, and makeup properly. It's the easiest way to instantly improve your skin. By giving your skin a little extra time, you ensure a deeper clean and a brighter complexion. Quick question for you. Before we continue, I want to know, what's your biggest skincare struggle? Is it dryness, acne, dark spots? Drop it in the comments below. I reply to every single one. Your feedback helps me create content that matters to you. Let's chat. Now, we have made it to the number 1 ultimate remedy on the list, which is 6. Superfoods for super skin. Your skin reflects what you eat. Add glow-boosting foods like avocados, nuts, and berries to your diet. These are packed with antioxidants that fight aging from the inside out. If you incorporate these superfoods into your meals, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and radiant. 7. Ice therapy for instant glow. Feeling puffy? Try ice therapy. Rubbing an ice cube on your face reduces puffiness, tightens pores, and gives you an instant fresh look. Just 30 seconds a day will make a huge difference. This simple trick is a quick fix for any morning, leaving you looking refreshed and revitalized. Now that you have these tips, it's time to put them into action. Stay tuned for a special message. There you have it, the ultimate remedy for a youthful glow. Remember, your skin is a reflection of how you care for yourself. So start applying these tips today and watch the magic happen. Quick recap. Hydrate like your skin depends on it, because it does. Use your vitamin C inside and out. Sleep like a queen or king. Use natural oils for deep nourishment. Wash your face for 60 seconds. Eat glow-boosting foods. Try ice therapy for an instant refresh. These simple changes can make a huge difference in how your skin looks and feels. So, start your journey to radiant skin today. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Don't forget to check the description of this video for a product to help on the journey. You're not alone in this. Thanks for watching.